So, like many of you, I had an incredibly strong, almost inignorable urge to bake yesterday. That often happens when I'm very tired or very stressed because it's not about the baking, it's more about the tasting and eating the ingredients while I'm baking. Takes me right back to when I was younger and I don't know, there's something delicious about creaming butter and sugar and then checking the dough, but like checking the dough at every single step and several times along the way. That's, I get most of the enjoyment then. Once I've put out whatever it is I'm baking, the cake or cupcakes or biscuits, it's almost then inconsequential as to what I'm making. So that was interesting to notice this yearning, this desire to feed and comfort my soul, which I think was as a result of an adrenal hangover after preparing for such a massive event on Thursday, which went well, but took I think I really underestimated just how much I wanted it to go well and how much time I had spent preparing. So I made these delicious little biscuits, and of course I couldn't stop at one batch because I wanted to taste different batches. So here we go. Now I have far too many biscuits. I've given half of them away to my neighbor because it really was about the preparation and the process. And I found that once I started eating the batter, I couldn't stop eating. So I don't know if you've had that kind of experience. It's so easy when we start eating something that we really enjoy and it's feeding something else besides hunger that it doesn't fill the hunger, right? So what I did last night to try and stop, I mean, it did work, it doesn't always work, is I made something completely different to the taste of the cookie batter. So if you find that you're eating crisps and you're going down the salty route and you can't stop, maybe then switching to something sweet or something of a completely different texture. So what I did was, thank you, Jamie Oliver, by the way, both of the biscuit recipes were yours. The flapjacks and the other ones were Jules's chewy, gluten-free oaty biscuits. Delicious and easy. And then I found another one of Jamie's, which was this avo and mackerel and onion pate. So 5 ingredients, super easy. I whipped this up, and of course I tasted it because I was not going on that taste frenzy. But the flavors of onion, garlic, avocado, and mackerel completely cut the chase over the biscuits and the biscuit batter and something sweet. So I woke up this morning thinking that was a lovely, interesting, no judgment, no guilt. And I thought maybe that's a tip that somebody else could use. If you find yourself going down this cascade of eating and binging on some particular type of food, switch to something completely radically different, hopefully something that's good for you, and stop it. Let me know what you tend to get pulled into eating. I'd love to know.